So we're here at Blue Knob State Park in Bedford County, Pennsylvania. It's the first nice day of spring. It's like close to 80 degrees out here today. And we've been really busy all day. It's soon going to be dark. And we have a big day tomorrow, but we hope to get some more footage for you tomorrow night and get out and check out some of the trail systems here. And we set up our trusty trail cam, which we don't know if we're using it right or not because it's our first one. So we're going to let that set overnight. It's right in behind our campsite. If there's anything here that's curious, maybe it'll sneak up in here. And that might even still be a little high. But we're going for the squatches, you know. Debbie wants to see the squatches, and they're 6 to 8 feet tall, so we're gonna run with what we got. We think there's a trail down here. We're at Blue Knob State Park, Bedford County, Pennsylvania. This is actually the Blue Knob Resort here I was checking out online. Second tallest peak in Pennsylvania, so 3,200 feet, I believe, maybe 3,400 feet. We'll get you some more details. But we just wanted to do a little walk around here on our first night. We'll be back here tomorrow evening after we ride tomorrow. We're going to Rock Run Recreation to ride UTVs with the Central Mountain ATV Association. And we don't know what's here. Some big mountains here. We're coming across the trail yet.
Watch yourself.
Sorry, babe. So here we're in a trail. See, the sun's soon going to set over the mountain back there. I don't know if you can see the peaks in the distance there. There's some beautiful views. We'll get some pictures for you tomorrow morning. You want to walk this trail a little bit, huh? Should I keep the camera rolling? Just in case we see anything. We're 2 minutes and 55 seconds in. We'll run up to 5 minutes here. Okay. Okay. Man, we're out here. My baby's in her shorts. We got no coats on.
That's beautiful.
We've been out here all winter long. It's been like 0 degrees, 20 degrees, 15 degrees. Last week it was 20 degrees. Snowing. A week ago they had a foot of snow in these mountains. Now here's another trail, connector trail. It just says connector number 23. Might lead out to some kind of vista there. We can maybe check that out more tomorrow. We wish we had more time to spend here in the park. We have to get up early and drive an hour north, and we're going to ride for 5 hours with the association tomorrow. Until we get back here, it'll be 5 or 6 o'clock maybe again tomorrow night, so we'll only have a few hours of daylight, but they say some of the best things come out after dark, right? Pine trees here. Deb was over by the bathhouse earlier and she said she saw lots of deer tracks. And this just, you can see here the elevation starts to drop off. You can see a little better when I get over here. We're up on a high peak. We're not the whole way to the top, but you can see it drops off down over there. I don't know how well you can see that. You probably can't from here. I said I was going to stop at 5 minutes, and we're at 5 minutes.
Okay.
Should I keep going?
If you want.
Bedford County is actually in the southern part of Pennsylvania, but there's lots of mountain ranges here. I don't think this is part of the Appalachian system, is it?
Yeah.
No, it's not part of the Appalachian mountain system. We got some big hills out here. Baby pine cones?
Baby pine cones.
She likes the baby stuff.
I do.
So this state park just opened today. We got here, just open for camping today. It's actually open year round, but today was the first day they opened for campers.
That's a weird configuration.
Well, back in here, Squatch Hunter dead bull found some.
No, I'm just saying it's a weird configuration.
She found some trees back there that are
Do they even belong there?
kind of intertwined and stacked on top of each other.
I mean, which way did the wind blow? Did it blow north or south? That's weird.
It's hard to say what causes such things. Some say that the Bigfoots build structures like that. Back there.
You see that?
Yeah, I see it, babe. Could just be fallen trees. A lot of wood, a lot of timber on the ground here. It's coming out of winter. Had a lot of storms this year. Watch your step, hon.
Yeah. Check that out. Looks like a lightning bolt. Might have got it.
Maybe. Okay, so we're gonna go to 10 minutes and stop. How's that? We're 7 minutes in. And more down trees here. Just plain the wind blew that or something happened there. It rotted and died.
A lot of rotten trees.
I always say to look behind you. We always forget about what crosses the trail behind us. You can see the range, mountain range, the sun's dropping down over there behind them. It's just me tripping over stuff, not watching where I'm going.
Are you zooming in?
Yeah. Okay, well, coming up on 10 minutes here, so we're going to shut this down and we'll catch you more later.